Hi, today I'm going to show how you can protect your iPhone or iPad device with the Trusted app to prevent costly cyber attacks and data breaches for both you and your company. To get started, all you need to do is open the Mail app on your device. You should have an email from your IT team, but if you need to find this, search for no reply at control.traced.app. Opening this email, it's included some information about what's happening and the data that is going to be shared with your organization. Rest assured that if this is a personal device, the Trusted app should only share a red, amber, or green security health status of your iPhone or iPad and some very basic device information like its make and model. No additional information is shared with the organization like location, messages, web browsing, etc. That will never be shared with your organization, so don't worry. When you're ready, click Register your device. Click OK to the prompt that appears, and then click on the Download on the App Store button. Then click Open. Go ahead and click the Download button to start the installation of the Trusted app. Once it's downloaded, double tap the Home button and go back to your web browser, and we're ready to move on to step 2. Tap the Connect with Trusted button and then hit Open to open the Trusted app for the first time. Hit Allow to allow the Trusted app to notify you if there's any compromises or any security threats that are detected on your device. Go ahead and hit Get Started to accept our terms and conditions, and as you can see from this screen, it's informing you exactly what information will be shared with your organization. Once you click OK, the app will enroll into your company's dashboard. Click OK to this message. As you can see, we need to set up web protection to protect your device against phishing. Go ahead and click Web Protection, then click Set up Trusted Plus's local VPN, and click Allow. Give it a thumbprint, and you're good to go. From this point forward, your device will be protected against web threats, device-based threats, compromised Wi-Fi networks, and more. Thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to keeping you secure.